ready? Okay, ready, go.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, that's where Spider can. Space rails and size can't see. Just that way. Look out. Here comes Spider-Man. Listen, but he got really at the butt. He's strength probably. It could like hold a hand. It goes Spider-Man. And his chin the lights. And the opposites. And his feet all lights at the time. And then here comes just Spider-Man.
That was really good. Now you have to bow. Can you take a bow?